Hey guys, Pancake Pup here again, and we're going to be playing some more raft. I will be back when I'm on the road. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did do a little bit off cam, like extending out the raft. I don't know if I mentioned these last video, but they auto collect stuff for you. Like yeah, this right here. It's not going to be in the way. Honestly, but I do know you can use them. Sorry about the lag. Yeah, every time I go in this world, it's going to be laggy like that probably. It has been. Yeah, sorry about the barking in the background. It's my dog playing with my neighbor's dog. So, yeah. Um, Today I'm hoping to just try to make a full line of these things. So, how do you make them? So, yeah, I think my goal is to make a whole line of these about that far and also make a sail. So I need scrap. There's so much you need for that. Okay, gonna grab that. Look, I just collected it. I'm gonna grab this barrel. But once we get a whole line of these things, because like I demonstrated last episode. Oh yeah, I did show you those last episode. Yeah. Like I demonstrated last episode, whenever you get a whole line, you just don't have to collect manually. It's so useful. Get a bunch of palm leaves now. 14. I need a whole stalk, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure, so I'll be back when I have. So I made the sail. So now we got a sail, which is nice. Because that really helps out with collecting, going to islands and stuff. So I probably need to make a new plastic hook. Eventually you can learn to make a metal hook, and that's super useful. Any type of islands around us? Nope. I think I'm about to have to go to bed. Here we go. No, I forgot I have to wait till it's pitch black to go to bed in this game. So, yeah. Yeah, look, it's already starting to get us a decent amount of items, which is very nice. So, gonna grab this, not this apparently. Oh, come here, Mr. Barrel. No! I need you. Whether you like it or not, I'm grabbing you. Okay. Grab some fish. Yes. Okay. You think the shark, would grab onto your fish, but nope, it's actually you need shark bait. So, that's that. So I'm gonna go to bed real quick. Yep. We're cooking that. We're cooking that. It's always good to keep spare food on you, like in Minecraft. I bet some of you guys have played Minecraft. If you haven't, then go play it. So, so we're gonna grab some Vasa. real quick. And if we have any spare time this episode, I might make a little hut. If we have any spare time. But right now, I need to make myself yeah, I need to make myself a bunch of these. They cost so much rope. Which is why, that's like the only thing I hate about them. They cost so much rope. Like, they're not even expensive, they just cost so much rope. Oh no! Die, please. Die! I know that sounded brutal, but I'm just saying. No, I still need 2 more. Ugh. No, I'm gonna be back whenever I get a whole line of these right here. So I will be okay. I'm back. So I didn't make my whole row of them, and since we got a decent extra amount of time, what I'm going to make my little hut. I have an island over there. I'm not gonna go to it right now. I'm not really that worried about it. You would. I'm good on plastic right now. Definitely need palm leaves. But basically wasted all my wood getting these things. Yes, barely got it. Yes. Okay. Cool, perfect amount. I'll at least get started on the hut. Thought I had nails. Guess I wasted them all. And now I need food. Or, yep, food. Good thing I have this leftover food. But still had to cook, huh? Of course I did. So, just gonna help, and that broke. I've broken 2 this episode. That hardly ever happens. Proves how much harvesting I've been doing. And I'm gonna have to do a lot more harvesting to make the stupid hut. So, no barrels. I'm so stupid. Oh, of course, the exact time. No! Oh, this is annoying. It doesn't matter. Well, I hope it doesn't at least. So, gonna get started on this. So, I'm gonna grab this plank right here, and then we're gonna get started. So, first of all, it's always smart to build your thing up here like this, because then the shark can't really attack it. So it's always smart to do it right up there. I need to do a floor. I'm gonna move this, because that's honestly going to annoy me very quickly. I'm gonna move it right there in the corner. It's kind of out of the way. Harvesting, no harvesting. At least I got some auto harvesters, which is nice, so yeah. Okay. And so, just gonna do some harvesting for right now. Don't really know what to talk about right now. Well, if you guys could leave a subscription, I know I haven't really done that greedy lately because I don't really like to be one of those people. But if you could leave a description and a like, that would be greatly appreciated in every way. So ooh, 3 barrels equals a lot of stuff. Looks like the dogs have stopped playing, so I'm kind of surprised. In one episode, I might show my dog with the face cam. Boom. This is gonna be a small little hut for now. You know, I can make another pole if I go here. Make more nails. I can make another pole right there. So, and that would need 2 more wood for that. So, and now if I go to floor, yep, I can go there. And that's good. So I guess I'll be back when I have enough materials to maybe make this, because this video is gonna be getting kind of long, so I'll be back when I got all the materials and I'll build it. Be back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I think I have all the materials I need. I might have done my maths wrong. So, here we go, got that. I'm doing this because it's cheaper on the wood. A lot cheaper. Yep, I did my maths wrong. I'm gonna be 1 wall short. Let me just grind 2 more planks. And then I need 1 more leaf. I also did my leaf maths wrong. Oh, there's an island. Let me grab a leaf really quick. If I can find one. Oh my god. Here we go. Okay. Got some palm leaves. Very good. So there we go. We're not moving in quite yet because we're not completely finished. Gotta set in the roof and the rest of the stuff and some other things. But we are almost done with our starter base. So I guess we'll see you guys next time. I gotta fish this. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.